What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to use Claude for free using the Antigravity platform. So this is the link to the Antigravity. You just have to download it for the system that you're using. For example, for the macOS, Windows, or Linux, according to your own requirements. Once downloaded, it will look like something like this. So you might be asking, like, is it possible to use Claude for free and access Opus model? And yes, you can access the selected Claude models such as Claude Sonnet or Opus versions in the entire Gravity, which I'm going to show you guys right. So over here, you will see that there is Claude Sonnet 4.6 thinking and Claude Opus 4.6. Now you guys might be thinking like it will require some sort of credits. No, it just required your Google account. Once you have linked it with that, as you guys can see that I was using the Opus version to audit the code that I have right now, and it worked fine. So you guys can do it as well using this platform. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care.